Hello, Kiara. So, these are the sight words that I have for you that I'm going to be bringing over to your house today. They're going to be into lessons. This is lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and lesson 5. So we're going to turn the page. So let's go over lesson 1's words. About, by, down, into, made, off, over, them, what, when. So to get used to reading these words, we're going to learn to write them. So how we're going to do that is put it to memory. So what I would like you to do is to write on all these lines the word right above it. So that's going to be 10 times. And after you're done listening to this word, pause it, this video, and then you can start it again. So the first word you're going to do is about. A-B-O-U-T. Now pause. Okay, you're back on. The next word we're going to do is by. B-Y. Write it 10 times. Now you can pause. Back again. Third word is down. D-O-W-N. Pause. The next word you're going to write next time 10 times is into. I-N-T-O. You can pause. Okay, I'm assuming you're done writing into 10 times. The next word you're going to write is made. M-A-D-E. We're going to come up here and you're going to write off 10 times. And you can pause. And the next word you're going to write 10 times is over. And you can pause. The next word is them. And you can pause. The next word is what. W-H-A-T. 10 times. And then the last word for lesson 1 is when. W-H-E-N. So pause this and write it 10 times. Okay, Kiara, so you can come back and turn the page. And what we're going to do here is, we're not going to turn the page. We're going to look down here. I'm going to say a sentence, and then I want you to pause and write the sentence. Don't worry about spelling it correctly. This is how you learn. So the first sentence that I want you to write on this line and that line is with the word about. And don't forget, the first word of every sentence has a capital and the end of the sentence has a period. So, first sentence is, please tell me about yourself. So I'm going to say it one more time, and then I want you to pause and write it. Please tell me about yourself. Now pause. The second sentence is for the word by. And you're going to write it on this line right here. I walk by the ducks. One more time. I walk by the ducks. And pause it to write it down. Welcome back. Now we're on the third sentence. And this word is going to be for down. So the sentence is, put my book down, please. One more time before we pause. Put my book down, please. Pause. The fourth word we're going to make into a sentence is into. I jumped into the pool. One more time. I jumped into the pool. Then we're going to turn the page and go up to number 5. And the fifth word is going to be, let me see. Oops. Got a peek here. Is made. Okay. So this is a fun sentence. My mother made me a cake. One more time. My mother made me a cake. Pause. Okay, you're back again. Don't forget your sentences. The first word of a sentence is capitalized, and the end of the sentence has a period or a question mark if it's a question. So number 6 is over. Oh, nope, actually, I'm sorry, it is off. The sentence is, my father is off to work. One more time for sentence number 6. My father is off to work. Pause. Welcome back. Number 7 is, the cat jumped over my foot. A second time for number 7. The cat jumped over my foot. Pause. Number 8. So this is going to be a question sentence, and at the end we're going to put a question mark instead of a period. The word that we're doing in this sentence is them. And the sentence is, you want them to sing. One more time. You want them to sing. Number 9 is another question sentence, and that word is what. What do you mean? One more time for number 9. What do you mean? Number 10, the sentence is going to be your last one for lesson 1, and the word is when. And it's another question. So you're going to begin the sentence with a capital letter and end it with a question mark. When shall we go? One more time for number 10. When shall we go? So now I'm going to move the camera over to the sentences that you just said. And what I want you to do is to pause it and check how you wrote the sentences to how I wrote the sentences. And then you can just put a quick little line through any words that you need to correct and write the correct spelling above it. You don't have to scribble it. You don't have to erase it. One simple line. So let's go over these sentences together. Please tell me about yourself. The next one is, I walk by the ducks. Third one, put my book down, please. Notice the first letter is capital and the last one has a period. If you have any other capital letters in the middle of the word, unless it's a name, it shouldn't be capital, and it could be a name of a person or a building. So the next one is, I jumped into the pool. Number 5, my mother made me a cake. And you can pause this at any time, which is what you should be doing to correct your sentences. And then just restart from where you left off. Number 6, oops, let's get this back on. Number 6 is, my father